Welcome to JEE Maths Preparation 2026-27, where maths is explained simply, clearly, and step by step. Build concepts, not shortcuts. Now let's solve today's JEE Maths question. Today's question is on definite integration, dealing with multi-interval piecewise functions. This and similar questions appeared in JEE Main 2023, 24 and 25. We have to evaluate this definite integral from -1 to 3/2, where pi square x sine pi x placed inside a modulus sign dx. Since the function is placed inside the modulus sign, we have to analyze the signs of the function between -1 to 3/2. We will break the interval in 3 parts and check the sign of the function inside the modulus for its final sign. We can conveniently do it on a number line. For getting more clear idea, -1, 2, 0, 1 and here 1.5, that is 3/2. In the first interval from -1 to 0, x is less than equal to 0 and sine pi x will also be less than equal to 0, implying x sine pi x to be greater than equal to 0. So we got x sine pi x is greater than equal to 0 in the closed interval -1 to 0. Secondly, from closed interval 0 to 1, x is greater than equal to 0 and sine pi x is also greater than equal to 0. That will imply x sine pi x to be also greater than equal to 0. Positive into positive is positive. Here negative into negative is positive. So we got x sine pi x greater than equal to 0 in the closed interval 0 to 1. Next, in the closed interval 1 to 3/2 or 1.5, x is positive. Therefore, sine pi x will be negative, angle pi x being in the third quadrant. Therefore, x sine pi x will be negative. So, x sine pi x will be negative in the closed interval 1 to 1.5 or 3/2. We will split the integral from -1 to 1, and for this interval we will split it from 1 to 3/2. So we will split this given interval I into two intervals as follows. I equals integral from -1 to 3/2 mod pi square x sine pi x dx will be pi square integral -1 to 1 x sine pi x dx minus pi square integral from 1 to 3/2 x sine pi x dx. Let us name first integral I1 and the second integral I2. Let us solve I1. Pi square integral from -1 to 1 x sine pi x dx. We observe that x sine pi x is an even function. Why? Because here we get f of minus x equals fx. Therefore, its integral will be 2 times pi square integral from 0 to 1 and not from -1 to 1 x sine pi x dx. That will be 2 pi square. Now we will integrate this by integration by parts repeatedly. So first function x into integration of sine pi x minus cos pi x upon pi minus derivative of this x 1 into this -1 upon pi into integration of cos pi x sine pi x upon pi. That will be all because derivative of this 1 onwards will be 0. From 0 to 1, 2 pi square into minus 1 into cos pi is -1 upon pi. Minus into minus will be plus. Sine pi is 0 minus 0 plus 0. 2 pi square into 1 upon pi. I1 will be cancelling 1 pi, 2 pi. So let's write here I1 is 2 pi. Next we will solve I2. I2 equals minus pi square, first function x into integration of sin pi x minus cos pi x upon pi minus derivative of this x 1 into this minus 1 upon pi into integral of cos pi x sin pi x upon pi from 1 to 3 by 2 minus pi square into minus 3 by 2 cos of 3 pi by 2 upon pi plus sin 3 pi by 2 upon pi square minus, because of this minus it will become plus cos pi upon pi minus sin pi upon pi square minus pi square into, since cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, this will be 0 plus sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 upon pi square plus cos pi is minus 1 upon pi minus sin pi is 0 minus pi square into minus 1 upon pi square minus 1 upon pi square into pi square 1 plus pi. So we get I2 equals, cancelling pi square 1 plus pi. Let's write here I2 equals 1 plus pi. After adding I1 and I2, what we get is 2 pi plus 1 plus pi 1 plus 3 pi. So that is the value of I. Hence the correct answer option here is this C, 1 plus 3 pi, this one here. Welcome to JEE Maths Preparation 2026-27, where maths is explained simply, clearly and step by step. Build concepts, not shortcuts. Now let's solve today's JEE Maths question.